है कद आसमान का। धन्यवाद सभापति।
थैंक यू, ऑनरेबल मेंबर। माननीय श्री अब्दुल वाहब जी। You have 4 minutes, sir.
I appreciate and welcome the move by the Modi government. I didn't expect this one, as they will bring such bill in this session. But the intention and all it is described. Our Dharmendra Pradhan ji already told that it is because of coming election, so I am not detailing on that one. When I am hearing Dharmendra Pradhan ji's bhashan, he was telling a lot about petroleum and his department. I don't know why he is transferred from there to Education Ministry. If he has done well, giving OBC quota to in different this one. If it is privatized, Dharmendra Pradhan ji, who will give this reservation? Now you are going to privatize all the institutions. Then the reservation will go wherever it will go, I don't know. Anyway, thank you very much, Dharmendra Pradhan ji, giving me so many insights of this bill. Anyway, I am telling this on Mandal Commission report that time. What was happening and what was stand of BJP and how many people, upper caste people, immolated themselves. Even my colleague, here sitting my colleague, he was reporting, he was a reporter here. 30 years back, what was happening, I was reading from his report. Now we are together in this house. So that is the situation. We remember before 30 years what was happening. I just... 1990, you know the date, I don't know the date.
Yes, Rajiv Goswami, a student, was immolated here.
Okay, that is all. And according to UGC data, now this Dharmendra Pradhan ji is in the Education Minister. According to UGC data, JNU, Delhi University, BHU and Allahabad University, among others, did not have a single professor under OBC quota as of January 1, 2020.
Shame.
300 posts of professorships sanctioned under the OBC quota are vacant. Even in assistant professorship, more than 950 seats are vacant.
Shame.
It has been known as that the universities do everything to circumvent OBC reservation. If we take the cases of vice chancellors, VCs too, most central universities hardly have any vice chancellors who belongs to OBC.
Shame.
None of the 22 IITs, including Delhi, Bombay, Madras and Kharagpur, follow reservation in their faculty positions.
Shame.
7 IITs had 10 or less faculty members from the other backward classes community. At IIT Bombay, of the 684 faculty positions, only 10 from OBC category. It's 1.5%. Budget provision for proposed all IIT Madras, at IIT Madras, of the 596 faculty members, only 62, 10.4% are OBC. It is highly suspicious that in all these universities and institutes, a number of posts are reserved for OBCs were being filled by people of general category, as OBC candidates are declared as NFS, none found suitable. That is
Shame.
Everybody is in NFS. The demand of caste-based census has always been a footwork from backward community in the country. Recently, the constitutional body, National Commission for Backward Classes, urged the government to collect data on the population of OBCs as part of Census of India 2021 exercise. Even Rohini Commission wrote to Minister of Social Justice and Empowerment, Talwar Chand Gehlot, on December 12, 2018, requesting an appropriate budget provisions for a proposed All India survey for an estimate of the caste-wise population of OBCs, as the absence of the data for the population of various communities to compare with their representation in jobs and
Honourable
admissions
Member, please conclude.
has been biggest hurdle for
Manya
the
Abdul
Commission.
One more,
Last one.
Very valid points.
I request the government to consider the long-term demand of conducting a caste-based census for this time. The government must consider bringing another legislation to cross the current limitation of keeping reservation to 50%. There are empirical evidence in support of the need to cross 50% limitation in reservation. In addition to this, I raise a demand. It is important to remember that the Constitution, SC's Order 1950 says, no person who professes a religion different from Hindu, the Sikh, or the Buddhist religion shall be deemed to be a member of scheduled caste.
Please conclude.
Yes, this order communalize the category of scheduled caste. I demand scrapping of Para 3 Constitution SC's Order 1950 so that Dalit Muslims and Dalit Christians are duly included in the SC list and they are not discriminated against on the basis of
Please
religion
conclude,
under
Honourable
Article
Member.
341 of Indian Constitution. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you. Honorable Shri H.D. Devagowda ji. Sir, you have about 5 minutes.